Mga NBA rookies na nagpakilala agad sa liga. Donovan Mitchell pinosterize ang tatlong kalaban. Jason Tatum pinosterize si LeBron at inangasan ito. Zion Williamson hindi magminti sa kanyang unang laro.
Zion stepping back, pulling the trigger, and hitting a three. Here's a lob to Zion, and he finishes over DeRozan.
Nico Melli is coming in for him right here.
Here's Zion for three, hit it again. They want Zion to get it. Here he is. And Pirtle blocked it. Zion gets it back and finishes. 10 gets it back. Zion for four. Welcome to the end.
Tapal ni Giannis sa layup at dinakdak sa kabilang court.
Good block. Antetokounmpo. Giannis gets it back on the other end and throws it down.
Anthony Edwards pinosterize si Watanabe.
Anthony Edwards, that time he does finish.
Lucas sa kanyang high-arcing game winner. Victor Wembanyama nagpakitang gilas kalaban si Giannis.
Wembanyama. Oh, goes back. Oh, no. Wembanyama three. Good. The screen, the drive. Oh.